back to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. This is lesson 7 in the beginner series for acoustic guitar. Now today we're going to be doing the F and the G chord. Now the F is going to be a little tricky for the beginner, but if you practice and practice, you will eventually get it. Okay, so let's get right to those chords. Alright, here's the F chord. It's going to be 3rd fret, 3rd finger, 4th string. Then we're going to do 2nd fret, 2nd finger, 3rd string. Then, this one here is going to be a little tricky. 1st fret, 1st finger, 2nd and 1st string. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to kind of bend your finger kind of like that. You want the finger to be touching this part of the finger right there. So you get to push down really hard on both strings. This one may take you a little time, but you will get it. Now you're only playing the bottom 4. The 5th string and the 6th string you do not play. Like I said, it's all a matter of getting that finger to push down on both strings. You can do it. Alright, here's another one of my favorite chords, the G chord. You get to play all the strings on this one. I like chords where you have to play all the strings because it makes it sound so much more full than having to play just the bottom 4 or the bottom 3 or whatever. You get to play all of them. Okay, it's going to be 3rd fret, 3rd finger, 6th string. Then you're going to do 2nd fret, 2nd finger, 5th string. Now this is where you really have to stretch, especially for you beginners. It's going to be 3rd fret, 4th finger, 1st string. So you're really going to have to push down and put your thumb over here, put it in the middle, in the center of the neck, and just play. Alright, that was the F chord and the G chord. Now for some people the F chord might be a little bit of a problem, but with practice you will get it. Believe me, you will. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, tell your friends about it, like this video, and remember, practice at least an hour a day, and we'll see you in the next lesson.